ReluxTunnel. With this payable application, you can perform tunnel calculations according to the current national and international standards. Define the tunnel by its specific parameters. Import photometric data directly from our ReluxNet or member database to simplify your planning process. Dimming and switching groups allow flexible models of lighting installations. Based on the required luminance levels, the application will automatically position the luminaires for the adaptation lighting and the interior area of the tunnel. ReluxTunnel, an application that pays for itself with the first project, and indeed, offers a high return on investment.